How to add Afterpay to Shopify. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be quickly walking you through on how you're going to be able to add Afterpay to your Shopify. So what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to go over to your settings. Okay, once you go to your settings, you're going to go to payments. Now once you are in your payments, now Afterpay can be added through the main providers or you can add it through the supported payment methods as well. So if you go into the normal payment methods and write Afterpay in this section, normally, it depends on your region and it should appear for you. So once it does, you're simply going to click on Afterpay. Okay. Once you do that, it's going to give you the new providers that give you Afterpay. I would either, like, it depends. If you want to go with a provider that gives you Afterpay and other cards, then I would go with this one. But if you want to go with just Afterpay, then you could simply go with this one because this portal gives you only Afterpay. So once you do that, you're simply going to click on connect. And once we click on connect, it's going to take us to the gateway. Okay, so I'm just going to wait for the gateway to load up. As it loads up, it brings us here. Obviously, as I said, that it needs to be compatible with your store. But once it's compatible, simply click on install app. And that is how you're going to add Afterpay to your Shopify store. Thank you for watching, and I will see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.